This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Florida lottery app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your application. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and now just search for Florida Lottery, and then from here just tap on the application and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So guys, when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now, for the second solution is just go to your settings on your phone. And then once you are on the settings, just scroll down and go to the apps. And then from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So just tap on the Florida Lottery. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. So now, if any of the solution doesn't work, the last solution that you have is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall Florida Lottery on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it back again. And then from there, you should have a working Florida Lottery application. And there you go. That's how you fix your Florida Lottery app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!